This is a tutorial on how to trade using the US dollar index. For that purpose, you need to first see the US dollar index in terms of chart. My favorite place to do this is the site called investing.com. You just need to go to the investing.com homepage. From there, on the right hand side, you can see the chart displaying all of the major indexes. Of that, you see the last one as the US dollar index. You just need to click on that. It will lead you to the page of the US dollar index. So the page would look something like this. It tracks the US dollar index over certain time frames. Apart from the time frames, it also looks at the index in terms of technical analysis as well as the general analysis. What I like to go to is the historical data. Just click on that. It will lead you to the data range of the index for a month's time. The default view is the month's time, but you can still change the dates by going over here, the date range. But if you analyze a month's time frame, it is enough. Here, as you see, it is as per the last trading day, which is July 26th, up to the June 27th of the last month. Below that, if you see, it shows the value where the index was at highest, lowest, the difference between the two, as well as the average value of the index. Then obviously the change percentage, whether the index has gone up or down, that is also mentioned. Now the question comes, how do we trade using this index? For that, I go with a simple rule to take the average as the landmark. As you see over here, the average is 83.2 and the last value of the index on the trade was 81.77. That means the current value of the index is much lower than the average since last 30 days. Do I need to tell you what to do now? Obviously, the index is gonna rise, which means the pair Euro USD is going towards the south direction for sure in the coming days. This trend is also confirmed by looking at the change percentage in the last column. As you see, there has been, since last few days, there has been a continuous decline in the index, except for a little rise in 1 or 2 days, 3 days before, which is very minimal compared to the downside of the index, which again confirms that the downside has been for a longer time, since the past few weeks, days or whatever. So definitely there has to be a turnaround now. Hope you understood what I've tried to in this tutorial. In case you have not, or if you have some other questions, please do not hesitate to get in touch with me. Bye bye.